In this episode of Sailing Chingon, Chingon shows up with his tools ready. His mission is to install a new marine air conditioner. Now, even on big boat living, when you're in tight quarters and the temperature's hot, air conditioning is always nice to have. So in Chingon, we're going to install an AC unit to make living a little bit easier in this micro ship. So after hours of deliberation and the fact that there was no other location to install it, we've decided to put it in the storage space just behind the head on the starboard side. So we built a mock-up of the battery bank, fitted out everything in the area, and decided to let her rip. Now the original base area was just the top of the holding tank, so we had to reinforce that with 3/4 inch starboard, and then we also built a little divider bulkhead between the back of the battery bank and the back lazarette. Then, with a little redneck engineering, we strategically placed the 300 amp hour batteries into basically the only position they would fit. We wired in the bus bars, main switch, and threw in the unit. Now I got this bad boy installed with only a few expletives, no fighting, was alone, so had that going for me. This is a 12 volt unit, runs on that 300 amp hour battery bank, and it can run for about 8 hours at 70 degrees. Obviously the cabin's about 2 square feet, so it's not hard to keep a small space chilly. So after months of use and one last final test with the tester system sent from the company that built this thing, I was able to get a successful night's run. That's it for this episode. In the next episodes, we're going to be taking what was a great boat and fucking it all up with all the shit I put on it. So, if you like, please hit the like button. If you don't like, please don't like the button. Do the subscribe button, all that other shit. Also, I ain't making a whole lot of money on my OnlyFans page. Tried it out. It ain't working so well. So, if you want to help me out, please hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to get paid. It's a hard life out here.